Salam, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are exploring an exciting solution that uses OCR within a SharePoint SPFx WebPart to automatically extract text from images and store it in a SharePoint document library together with the extracted image. So let's have a look. So on this page, you can see over here, we have a interesting interface over here. Pretty much all that you're going to do in this WebPart settings, you will add a OCR API key. So this solution makes use of the OCR space API. You can register for a free key on this website, right? Very awesome. And then you'll go back to the web part and then add your API key over there. So I'll pause this video and add my API key. Okay, so I've added the API key and republished the page. Next, in our SharePoint site, we'll have to create a document library that will store the image and the OCR text. So this is a document library, and the only column I've added is the OCR text column. Okay, so let's test all of this. And then on the WebPart page itself, or on the page itself, you'll have a field to add the relative path to the image library. So corresponding with my one is OCR images. I've prepared 3 images over here: a sample receipt, an invoice template, and a snippet from a Wikipedia page. So I'll drag all of those in here. Click on submit. And here are the results: image 1, image 2, image 3. And in the document library, they all appear over here.